insanely cool gadgets. CleanScreen Pro. Keep screens spotless with our portable LCD cleaner. Microfiber technology effectively removes dust and fingerprints. Use it every day for a clear display. Smudge-free screens are made easy with our microfiber LCD cleaner. Portable and effective. Use it anytime for crystal clear displays. Microfiber technology removes fingerprints and dust effectively. Convenient to use. Always have a clear display. Keep screens spotless with our portable LCD cleaner. Microfiber technology effectively removes dust and fingerprints. Use it every day for a clear display. Smudge-free screens are made easy with microfiber LCD cleaner. Portable and effective. Use it anytime for crystal clear displays. You can buy this at a discounted price using the link in the description below. TROVA Go Plus Biometric Safe. The TROVA Go is a portable biometric safe designed to keep your valuables secure while you're on the go. It was designed by a team at TROVA, a company focused on creating stylish and secure storage solutions. The TROVA Go is made of aluminum and features a sleek, minimalist design. It is small enough to fit in your pocket or bag and can hold items such as jewelry, medication, cash, or other small valuables. The safe is secured with a biometric lock, which uses your fingerprint to unlock the safe. To use the TROVA Go, you simply press your finger against the biometric sensor to unlock the safe. You can also use the TROVA app on your smartphone to unlock the safe remotely. Monitor the battery level and receive notifications if the safe is moved or opened. MPOWERD Luci Solar String Lights. The MPOWERD Luci Solar String Lights are a set of solar-powered string lights designed to provide ambient lighting for outdoor spaces. They are manufactured by MPOWERD, a company that specializes in creating sustainable and innovative lighting solutions. The Luci Solar String Lights feature 10 LED lights on an 18-foot cord that can be draped across a variety of outdoor spaces, such as patios, decks, and trees. The lights are powered by a solar panel, which charges the built-in battery during the day and can provide up to 20 hours of light on a single charge. Blueair Pure Auto Fan. The Blueair Pure Auto Fan is a smart air purifying fan designed to provide clean and comfortable air in your home or office. It is manufactured by Blueair, a Swedish company that specializes in air purifiers and filters. The Pure Fan Auto features a 360-degree air intake, which draws in air from all angles and passes it through the fans and filters. The fan has 3 speed settings, which can be adjusted using the touch panel on the top of the unit or through the Blueair app on your smartphone. The fan also has an auto mode, which uses a built-in air quality sensor to adjust the fan speed according to the air quality in the room. Nomad Grill and Smoker. The Nomad Grill and Smoker is a portable outdoor cooking device designed to provide high-quality grilling and smoking capabilities while on the go. It is manufactured by Nomad Grill and Smoker, a company that specializes in creating innovative and versatile outdoor cooking solutions. The Nomad Grill and Smoker features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport and set up in a variety of outdoor settings. It is made of high-quality stainless steel and has a durable construction that can withstand the elements. Segway Ninebot S Smart Electric Scooter. The Segway Ninebot S Smart Electric Scooter is a self-balancing electric scooter designed for personal transportation. It is a lightweight and compact scooter that can be easily carried in a car trunk, taken on public transportation, or stored in a small space. The Ninebot S features a powerful dual motor system that can travel up to 13.7 miles per hour, 22 kilometers an hour, and has a range of up to 13.7 miles, 22 kilometers on a single charge. It also features a 10.5-inch pneumatic tire and a robust dual braking system for added safety. The scooter is equipped with LED lights and can be controlled using a Bluetooth-enabled app on your smartphone. The app allows you to customize the scooter settings, track your riding data, and even lock and unlock the scooter. Loftie Smart Alarm Clock. The Loftie Smart Alarm Clock is a modern take on the traditional alarm clock designed to help you sleep better and wake up refreshed. It combines a range of features that promote healthy sleep habits, such as soothing sounds, gentle alarms, and sleep-inducing light patterns. The Loftie clock has a minimalist and stylish design that fits well in any bedroom. It features a high-quality speaker that plays a range of calming sounds, including white noise, nature sounds, and meditation tracks. You can choose from a variety of sounds to help you fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. The clock also has a range of gentle alarms that gradually increase in volume, allowing you to wake up slowly and peacefully. SolaWave Advanced Skincare Wand with Red Light Therapy. The SolaWave Advanced Skincare Wand with Red Light Therapy is a handheld device that provides a range of skincare benefits. It uses red light therapy, sonic vibration, and gentle heat to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other skin imperfections. The device features a red light therapy setting that penetrates deep into the skin, promoting collagen production and increasing blood flow to the skin's surface. This helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin tone and texture. The sonic vibration feature helps to increase circulation, which can reduce puffiness and promote lymphatic drainage. Lexon Oblio Wireless Charger and UV Cleaner. Fast charge your phone with QI technology. Approximately 3 hours required for a full smartphone charge. Oblio is engineered with ultraviolet light technology, UVC LED in its front interior. UVC LEDs destroy and eradicate the DNA of microorganisms found in viruses, bacteria, mold, and germs. For 360-degree disinfection, simply flip your phone to expose its second surface after the first cycle. 20 minutes, and that's all it takes to get your phone rid of germs. Because safety matters, Oblio's is efficient against germs and viruses. Joy Resolve Airso Coffee Alarm Clock. The Joy Resolve Airso Coffee Alarm Clock is a unique device that combines a coffee maker and an alarm clock in one. It was designed by British industrial designer Joshua Renev and was launched through a successful Kickstarter campaign in 2016. The device features a stainless steel base with a glass water tank and a wooden tray. It has a built-in milk frother, which can be used to make cappuccinos and lattes. The coffee is brewed using a stainless steel cone filter and a glass carafe. The Airso also functions as an alarm clock, with a digital display that shows the time and alarm settings. To set the alarm, you simply twist the dial on the top of the device. GIGA Pump 3.0 3-in-1 Outdoor Air Pump and Lantern. The latest super powerful 3-in-1 outdoor air pump and lantern of the GIGA series. In 2020, the GIGA series brought the world's smallest air pump, GIGA Pump 2.0. Now we're back with GIGA Pump 3.0. More powerful with up to 4.5 kPa high pressure and an ultra-high rotating speed of 45,000 RMP. It can reach up to 260 liters a minute, and there are 3 adjustable pressure modes to meet all of your inflation needs. It can blow up more inflatable products, faster, compress clothes into smaller sizes, and save storage space by 65%. Also, it has been upgraded to 4 levels of lighting, and the maximum brightness can reach 500 lumens. TASCAM PORTACAPTURE XA Digital Recorder. The PORTACAPTURE XA can simultaneously record up to 8 tracks in total, 6 tracks plus 2 mixes. From binaural audio recording to multi-track music recording, the PORTACAPTURE XA can be flexibly adapted for a wide range of applications. For the XLR, TRS inputs, the TASCAM know-how, utilizing the in-house developed ADDA high-definition discrete architecture mic preamps, enables high-quality audio recordings.